Sanibonani, Mphisa Ngivusele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. For I love you. Anyway, guys, before I get to the start of today, let's give Musam Saleko his flowers for giving us the best reality show in Mzansi, guys. Uthando Nesthembu season 8. I'm even asking myself, are we sure we're going to have Uthando Nesthembu season 9? Guys, it seems like this is the semi-finale of Uthando Nesthembu because the things that are happening in Muzumbe, guys, it is too much. Musamsaleka posted Mawande, Mangwabe's daughter, and Owami, Makele's daughter, guys, with a caption, "One day I'll be defended," meaning that these two, one day they'll protect their own father, guys. People are saying, "Oh, what have you noticed? Oh, what Uma Wande looks like Mhlopekazi." And guys, another thing, Utirelo's son looks like Zinande, guys, Mangwabe's daughter. If there's one thing Upomela needs to do, is to appreciate the Mangwabe, guys. I can see Uti Mawande looks like Mhlopekazi, guys. Umawande, she's very pretty, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So people have been asking what is going on in Ngomo Samsalega because he's so busy on his social media page, guys. He's posting after an hour, he'll post someone, after an hour he'll post this one, guys. They go busy with social media Yakamo Samsalega, and people are saying, oh, what this might be the semi-finale of Uthando Nesthembu season. We don't know what is going on. Let's just engage in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. Drive safe, guys. Take care of yourself.